Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ramzan, arid number 3150 from Department of Agronomy, Peer Meher Ali Shah, Arid Agriculture University, Rawalpindi. I am honored to present my final year project report to Dr. Fahad Saab. Due to COVID-19, a couple of months have passed, life has ceased to homes, but I have carried out my research during this situation in very limited resources. First of all, I shall discuss about my project titled as Effect of Nitrogen and Zinc on Maize Growth. Maize, with the botanical name of Z maize, also known as corn, is one of the most important cereal of the world. Maize is often known as the king of cereal crops. Maize can be grown in different environmental conditions, but especially it can be grown in spring and summer seasons. Great amount of organic matter needed for maize to grow best and give to high yield. Therefore, it is best to grow maize in soil having organic matter. During 2017 to 2018, maize crop was cultivated on an area of 1229,000 hectares and witnessed decline of 8.8% over last year's cultivated area of 1348,000 hectares, according to Pakistan Economic Survey 2017 to 2018. Maize crop production recorded as a decline of 7% as its production stood at 5.702 billion tons compared to the last year's production of 6.134 million tons, according to Pakistan Economic Survey 2017 to 2018. Maize contributes 2.4% value added in agriculture and 0.5% to GDP. Nitrogen is most important and crucial major nutrient, and it is very important for maize and other cereal crops. In conditions where there is no nitrogen in soil, plant maturity can be delayed and also it minimizes yield of crop to high extent. If the plants are deficient in nitrogen, then the nutrients present in the soil cannot be utilized by plants. Adequate supply of nitrogen might have helped the maize plant to increase their growth, which in turn increase photosynthesis surface, thus contributing more dry matter. Plant height, stem diameter of maize increased significantly with increase of nitrogen from 0 to 80 kg nitrogen per hectare. However, 40 to 80 kg nitrogen per hectare remained at par with each other in fodder maize, while increasing nitrogen levels did not significantly affect number of leaves per plant. Yield and protein contents in maize seed increased with increase in nitrogen rate. Maize also required some micronutrients like zinc for its growth. Micronutrients deficiencies in plants are becoming increasingly important globally because of the increasing concerns of the effects of low levels of micronutrients, especially zinc in human food. Deficiency of zinc in soil causes deficiency in crops, and together this has become a problem all over the world, with acute zinc deficiency. Ranges in arid to semi-arid regions of the world. Maize is a sensitive crop to zinc supply as indicated by its high content in grain. As compared to other micronutrients, plants use zinc in many of its vital processes such as protein synthesis, membrane structure and functions, expression of genes, and tolerance against oxidative stress. Zinc deficiency in soil is common in arid and semi-arid regions. Little or no use of zinc fertilizers along with imbalanced fertilization further aggravated zinc deficiency in soils, resulting in lower zinc contents in grains. Maize took less number of days of tasseling as well as sickling with zinc application. Zinc sulfate application increased the maize yield significantly. Maize grain yield to zinc application was ranged from 0.9 to 3% tons per hectare up to increase in 108% over the 3-year period of experimentation. Now I shall tell you about the experiment conducted at home. The pot experiment was carried out to study the effect of different levels of nitrogen and zinc on maize growth at home during March 2020. Each pot was filled with 6 kg air-dried soil. 3 levels of nitrogen, 0, 100 and 200 kg per hectare were applied as urea, and 2 levels of zinc, 10 and 20 kg per hectare were applied as zinc sulfate. Treatments were replicated 3 times and laid out in complete randomized design CRD. Experiment data shows that growth parameters of maize were affected by both nitrogen and zinc. Higher plant height 28.44 cm was recorded under nitrogen at the rate of 200 kg per hectare. Lower plant height 21.42 cm was recorded at nitrogen at the rate of 0 kg per hectare. Higher stem diameter 1.31 cm. Shoot fresh weight 40.29 gram. Shoot dry weight 11.46. Root fresh weight 39.94 gram. And root dry weight 14.2 gram were recorded at nitrogen at the rate of 200 kg per hectare. as compared to nitrogen levels 0 and 100 kg per hectare. Similarly, highest value of most of the parameters were recorded in pots treated with zinc at the rate of 20 kg per hectare as compared to zinc applied at the rate of 10 kg per hectare. This experiment suggested that with the application of nitrogen at the rate of 200 kg per hectare and zinc at the rate of 220 kg per hectare, we get better results of maize crop. Now I shall discuss materials and methodology of the experiment. The pot experiment was executed at home in March 2020 as told above. The experiment was conducted between March 25, 2020 to May 3, 2020. Air-dried 6 kg soil was filled in each pot with 3 applications. Treatments allocated to the pot using complete randomized decision CRD. 3 treatments of nitrogen and 2 treatments of zinc were applied. 3 treatments of nitrogen 0 kg per hectare, 100 kg per hectare and 200 kg per hectare were applied as urea. 2 treatments of zinc 10 kg per hectare and 20 kg per hectare were applied as zinc sulfate. There were total 5 treatments, 3 levels of nitrogen and 2 levels of zinc with 3 applications each. The recommended dose of phosphorus at the rate of 90 kg per hectare was applied as SOP. The recommended dose of potassium at the rate of 60 kg per hectare was applied in the form of SSP. Maize variety Haq Nawaz Gold, which was taken from NARC, was planted in pot. Variety had the recommended seed rate of 30 kg per hectare. Irrigation was given according to the crop requirement. Soil sample was taken and checked for various physical and chemical properties of the soil. 3 plants were selected in each pot after germination. When harvested, the plant's data was taken of plant's height by using meter rod. Vernier calipers was used for measuring stem diameter. After harvesting the plants, following parameters were taken per pot: shoot fresh weight, shoot dry weight, root fresh weight and root dry weight. At last, I shall present you the conclusion of my final year project report. Nitrogen and zinc application increases the growth parameters of maize. Plant height and stem diameter of maize crop increased with the application of nitrogen and zinc. It is also concluded that both fresh and dry shoot weight of maize crop also increased with the application of nitrogen and zinc. Nitrogen application at the rate of 200 kg per hectare and zinc application at the rate of 20 kg per hectare gives high results. Thus, from the conclusion of this experiment, it is suggested that nitrogen at the rate of 200 kg per hectare and zinc at the rate of 20 kg per hectare is best for maize growth. Thank you very much for your kind anticipation, and I shall hope that you like it. Thanks. Jazakallah.